that they have this energy. You can feel the energy here. The way they make the trains, the way they build how much love they have here. Each person here inside, you can feel that, you can see. We feel like one of the best collaborations we have done.
The Brazilian artist duo OSGEMEOS is known for surprises. Not only with their expressive motifs, they are always looking for new ways to convey their idea of art. Also Märklin, Germany's model railway brand, has been finding the balance between tradition and innovation for 165 years. Manual work is valued equally here, like technical perfection, to inspire people with a love of detail and design.
We go crazy with the details. Everything is possible to create it here. In terms of this magical world inside of ourselves, and try to express this as much as possible in a way of people can get more close as possible. This can connect the people all over the world.
And different generations also, like old generation, new generation, like everybody get connected.
We feel sometimes that like we are like a filter, of our imagination, the filter of our life.
It's magical. And love, pure love. We love trains.